loading up a few of the posts, get ready to go shave them down a little bit more and go ahead and start burning them. Let's get to it. All right, folks, that's kind of what you want right there. See how the way the end piece is? I just went ahead and slide it up a little bit. Go ahead and let that start to cool down and harden up a little bit. I went ahead and add a little bit more wood so I can try to burn two at once. Just waiting for that other side to catch a little bit. Like I said, this is one of my old burn barrels, so got a little few rust here and there and holes at the bottom, but it can still hold a decent fire. Like I said, every so often, every couple of minutes or so, I'm just turning it, letting it burn and turning. Letting it burn for about 2 minutes, turning. Letting it burn again for 2 minutes, turning it every so often, slightly, piece by piece. Like I said, that's the way you want it to look right there. You want to start seeing that charredness coming on the wood. Just giving you a close up. Just trying to be careful. This log is still pretty hot. Just want to give you a close up of what you should start to look for before you call it done and take it out of the fire. This is what that end should look like. Call me the post making man. It's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good.